What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle 2.0, the Hussle family, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, and turn motivation into means. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. All right, got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there scamming people, so please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you are getting what you paid for. All right, and before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So, good morning. We back dropping gems. We back being consistent with dropping all type of content, from music, financial freedom content, entertainment, you name it. King Hussle is back in effect, giving y'all what y'all need and what y'all want, point blank period. All right, so today, this morning, for all my early birds, for all my people getting up working them 9-to-5 jobs, that's tired of working them jobs, that come to my channel, that love getting this information to figure out how they're going to stop getting paid for somebody and start paying themselves. Well, this is going to be a video for you because there's a lot of people out there that know about passive income. What is passive income? Passive income is money that you make on a monthly basis where you don't have to do anything. You either invest it or you put your time and effort towards something that is making you all profit, all right, on a consistent basis. Now, there's a lot of different ways to make passive income. A lot of people buy houses and they get paid monthly rent. That's passive income. A lot of people start businesses and hire employees. That's passive income. Anything that you can invest in and put other people in a position in to make you money, that is passive income, right? So a lot of people put themselves in a position to make hundreds of thousands of dollars on a monthly basis in passive income where they don't have to do anything. And that's the number one trick. That's the number one goal in life, making as much passive income as possible. All right, so it's a lot of people out there that understand that you can get paid millions of dollars off YouTube. You can get paid millions of dollars off YouTube without even showing your face. Now, in 2024, if you work a 9-to-5 job and you're tired of working that 9-to-5 job, you're going to switch it up. You're going to put yourself in position to make passive income. Your first passive income job or hustle is going to be YouTube automation. And YouTube automation is where you can make you as many YouTube channels as you want, outsource the videos. That means the video that you're going to be posting on your channel, you're not going to create. Somebody else is going to create the whole video for you. They're going to send it to you and you just post it and start getting the subscribers and the watch time views and start getting it monetized and getting the revenue, all right? The goal is to work smarter and not harder. Now, I know it's a lot of people out there that just tired of driving trucks and being teachers and working at McDonald's and working at fast food restaurants and working at houses and factories and nurses, assistants, and things like that. And they wake up and they stress and they complain. They just wish they can do something, make them more money. They see a lot of people on a daily basis on social media flashing hundreds of thousands of dollars, and they want to be a part of the crew. Well, I'm going to put it to y'all like this. You got to be smart. Because at the end of the day, life is not free. You have to pay to live. And if you don't pay to live, you're going to be living out a cardboard box, all right? Bills, cost of living is very high. So you got to understand, there are many businesses that you can put other people in position to do to start making you passive income. And that's where the knowledge comes in at. You might know how to do hair. You might know how to cut hair. You might know about cutting grass. You might know something about something that you could teach somebody and put them in the position to do the same thing, and they'll be your employee. Now, back to what I was saying. YouTube is the number one source to go to if you want to start your passive income journey. And why? Because like I said, you can pick up a phone, pick up a camera, start making content just like this, start posting on your YouTube channel, start building a fan base, and start getting subscribers and start getting monetized. Or you can go on a website called Fiverr, Figure out what your niche is, what your channel or channels are going to be about. Start outsourcing those videos and posting them on your channel on a consistent basis. And start building a platform, building a brand. Now, a lot of people out there, they say, man, I want to do it, but how do I do it? Now, first of all, if you really want to make passive income, if you really want to make money without having to show your face, you have to actually want to do it, and you have to be consistent. It's not going to be no, oh, I'm going to post 2 videos or a video and think I'm going to start getting money and making money off YouTube. No, you have to be consistent. And that's with anything in the world. If you want to start making money with anything that you want to do, that you see anybody else doing, you have to be consistent. It's not going to come to you overnight. You have to build. I don't care if you rapping, I don't care if you modeling, I don't care if you're doing music, I don't care if you're doing methods, I don't care what you're doing. Whatever you're doing, you have to stay consistent with it. It might not work the first time, it might not work the second time, but you're going to learn from the mistakes that you made to make it happen the third time. Point blank, period. And once you learn how to make it happen the third time, you know how to make it happen from there on out. All right? So for everybody out there that want to get into some type of world or some type of game that's going to make them some money, please understand that it is not going to be overnight. You have to stay consistent and build whatever you got going to that point, and so you can start making money consistent, because it's possible. You just got to stop being lazy. There's a lot of people out there that aren't consistent, that are lazy, that get something, they don't might not know how to do it, and they say, oh, I'll do this later, and they never get back to it. They miss out on the opportunity to make money when they could have said, I don't know how to do this, let me research this, learn what it's asking me, so that I can go back to it and make it happen, because I see everybody else making it happen. Why can't I make it happen? It's all about self-awareness. It's all about what you got going on, how motivated you are. Are you really, do you got the motivation to actually get some money? Because a lot of people don't got the motivation to get some money. A lot of people don't got the motivation to try something new. A lot of people don't got the motivation to actually put a little time and effort and a little money into something new to start making them more money and change their life. And that's why they're always stuck in the same position. You got people out there that's waiting for other people to put them in position to win when you can do it yourself, right? So YouTube automation, let's get back to it. Let me really break it down to you, all right? Because a lot of people need to understand that you can make millions of dollars off this. You can make as many channels as you want. You can outsource as many videos as you want. And you can build as many channels as you want and get as many subscribers as you want. You just have to be consistent, all right? So how it works is YouTube channels, all right? Every YouTube channel is a niche. And what's a niche? A niche is basically a topic, a certain thing that you're going to be presenting. So my niche for this channel is going to be, for my YouTube, for the King Hussle channel, is how to make money making music, motivation, things like that. And you got the King Hussle X1M is going to be all music. Then you got the Hussle family is going to be me and my family members and doing special things like that. Then you got the King Hussle Crazy Reactions. That's all going to be reactions. Then you got the Turn Motivation to Means. That's going to be all motivation videos. Those are different niches, right? So you're going to figure out what your niche is. And how do you figure out what your niche is? It's easy. This is the easiest way that you figure out what you want to start your YouTube channel on. The easiest way to figure out your niche is to ask yourself, when you go on YouTube, what are the first videos that you gravitate to? So if you're somebody that go on YouTube, every time you go on YouTube, you go look at top 10 funny videos. If you're somebody as soon as you go on YouTube, you go search King Hussle videos or things like that. If you're somebody who go on YouTube, you go look at reaction videos. You somebody on YouTube, the first thing you go, whatever you go to, first thing you look at, that is your niche. That is what you're interested in. And whatever you're interested in, you're going to put a little time and effort towards it to make it happen. All right. So YouTube is a science, and a lot of people don't understand that. As long as you understand the science, you can make anything happen. As long as you understand that, hey, okay, I'm going to pick a niche. I'm going to make as many videos as I can under this niche and post as many videos as I can with this niche all day, every day. You're going to get subscribers. You're going to get fans, because the algorithm is going to pick up an algorithm. People are going to start seeing this video. People are going to like your video. And people are going to see a new face. And people are going to say, somebody new, say, hey, now I'm going to pay attention to you. Point blank, period. And that's why you see so many people on YouTube with multiple channels, because they understand the algorithm. They understand niches. And it's free to make a YouTube channel. It's free to pick up a camera. And it's free to start talking to the people just like that. Just like this. It's just all about the knowledge that you have and what you're presenting. Some people talk about so many different things. You got people who talk about hip hop. You got people who talk about credit. You got people who talk about people paperwork. You got people who talk about so many different things on YouTube, and all they're doing is picking up their phone, recording and posting the video, doing it so much, and starting to build fans and subscribers, get monetized, and start making money. Then you got the people who go on Fiverr, outsource the videos, whatever video content that they want, post it on YouTube and start making money. A lot of people see the meditation videos, the rain videos, all these different videos that people are literally outsourcing on Fiverr for little bitty dollars and change and coins and making hundreds of thousands of dollars, if not millions of dollars off of it. So if you somebody who like top 10 videos, go on Fiverr and get you a top 10 video made for $10 and post it on your YouTube channel, and go get you 10 videos made for, because you can actually bargain with the people on Fiverr. They might say, hey, for 8 to 10 minute long top 10 videos, I'm going to want $100. You can say, I only got 75. Would you take that? They'll be like, fine. You just saved you some money. Boom. So you just got 10 videos, 8 to 10 minutes for $75. That's 10 videos you got, which means you can post 2 videos a day for 5 days. That means you can post a video a day for 10 days. That means for 3 days you can post 3 videos. That means you can do whatever you want, but you got content. You're going to get another 10 videos made for another $75. You just got 20 videos made for $150. That's for a whole month. You got content for $150. Get y'all hustle up. Stop worrying about having your hand out and start making these YouTube channels. Start creating this content. Because you can make 10 channels like that, get paid $1,000 off each. Now you're making $10,000 a month in passive income just by outsourcing videos. Paying your bills, buying your stuff, all type of stuff. You gotta make it make sense. YouTube automation, YouTube period, figuring out how to make passive income. You got to start investing in certain products, certain people, certain things that bring you money back. That's why people get into real estate, buy houses, rent them out. That's passive income they're making. So if somebody got 5 houses, rent $2,000 to $2,500 a month, they making at least $10,000 a month in passive income. How can you beat that? That means every month you know for sure you got $10,000 coming. You ain't got to do nothing. Then you got the YouTube channels, another $10,000. Now you got money you can invest in certain other things. That's how you become a real boss. Easy as that, all right? So good morning to all my people out there. Y'all ready to start making passive income? You in 2024, this is how you're going to start. This is how you're going to start doing it. You're going to go invest into some dogs, whatever you want to invest in, but you got to start investing, because the more you invest, the more you'll be blessed. I'm not here to teach you guys. Basically, I'm here for the people, my adults, the people who got their head on their shoulders and really understanding how the world is working right now, how life is working. They're not out here just trying to do some type of fraud or scam and get over it, get some quick, fast money, blow it, and then be right back broke. No, this is for my people out there that actually want to become multimillionaires, create generational wealth, create their own businesses, put people in a position to win, help other people, help their self. Because like I said, credit is easy. Credit is the #1 money game in the world. As long as you understand credit, as long as you understand business, as long as you understand the science, you can become successful too, all right? And once you understand how it works, a lot of things won't be so much important as it was before, all right? Because we all want to buy the shiny things, the Rolexes, the diamonds, and all that. But you spending $300,000, $200,000, $250,000 on that when you could have bought some land, you could have bought some apartments, you could have put yourself in a position to make passive income. And that's what I want to teach you guys. That's what I want to preach to you guys, how to make passive income, how to sit back, relax, enjoy the sunrise on the beach, and still make money. And it's by investing, all right? So we're going to be talking about more ways to invest and how to be blessed, and we're all going to get rich off this, all right? So shout out to all my real King Hussle subscribers, supporters, fans, new and old, because without y'all, there be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping the sauce, and y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained. So shout out to y'all. Anybody out there looking to get that new age credit repair handbook that will teach you step by step how to clean and build your personal credit and build your business credit, and it comes with the CPN package all for $250. Cash App, or Bitcoin payment. Do not miss out on that opportunity. You can purchase it at New Age Credit Repair on IG and on Telegram, right? So all you gotta do is type in New Age Credit Repair, and the channels will pop up, the IG will pop up. Tap in, get your limited gems order, all right? Also, anybody looking to get their FaceTime one-on-one unlimited gems that will teach you everything that you need to know to start making passive income, $1,000 a day on a daily basis. The 8 instant cash out methods, two free live cards, the New Age Credit Repair Handbook, the Introduction to the Dark Web, how to make dark websites, and more, all for $600. All right, the regular price is $1,200, but for a limited time, you can get all that for $600. Do not miss out. Get the introduction to financial freedom. Start learning how to make this money. There's so much money out there that can be made. Y'all see so many people out there making it. Y'all see this cash. Come get it while you can be sitting on your easy as that. I'm gonna teach you how to do it. I've been doing it for so long. A lot of people have been making. I made a lot of people thousandaires, even millionaires, because they kept being consistent. Easy as that. We're gonna get rich. So if you're really ready to get rich, you're really ready to tap in, get your FaceTime one-on-one unlimited gems for $600. Mentorships is $2,500. I'm gonna take you under my wings. I'm gonna teach you how to do the YouTube automation. I'm gonna teach you how to make passive income. I'm gonna teach you how to be a real boss. All right. Also, back in effect, we got the crypto tour, in-person unlimited gems. Tap in person. You come to me, it's gonna be $4,500. If I come out of state to you, it's gonna be $5,500. All right. $500 deposit. The rest of the money will be in person. If I come out of state to you, it's gonna be $5,500, and you have to pay for my hotel and my flight. All right. You want to book me for out of town? What you gonna learn in the in-person unlimited gems is everything with the FaceTime one-on-one unlimited gems. You will start making money ASAP as long as you follow instructions. I'm gonna teach you how to work smarter and not harder. I'm gonna teach you how to bypass all this BS, how to really make money and make it the easiest way as possible. Because a lot of people working harder, they want to be followers, they see people doing this and they see people doing that, and they don't understand the logistics of what's really going on. So if you really want to start making money, because y'all clearly see a lot of people making money, y'all clearly see me making money, y'all clearly see me preaching the things like that, I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to tell you a lot of things that I do not say on YouTube. So you really want to get the sauce, you really want to get the gems. Y'all see all these vouch videos of people after I get them the lesson, they make the video like, man, they got the lesson, I taught them everything they need to know. It's real. So get your FaceTime one-on-one unlimited gems and get your in-person unlimited gems on the crypto tour, right? Also, anybody out there looking to get paid, instant cash outs, 8 instant cash out methods for $320 plus 2 live cards. Tap in. You can get it on my Telegram, Wealth of Riches. You can find the link in my community post and in my description on all my videos, or you can contact me on IG, King Hussle X1M. Any King Hussle Telegram is automatically a fake. Any new IGs with King Hussle is automatically a fake. Do not get faked out by these fake pages, all right? So you're looking to get the cash out glitch, Bitcoin glitch, all that. 8 instant cash out methods plus 2 free live cards for $320. Cash up a Bitcoin payment. If you pay with Bitcoin, you get a higher limit live cards. Contact me on my Telegram, Wealth and Riches. Links in my community posts and in my bios on all my videos, or on IG, King Hussle X1M. Links is everywhere to find me. All right, so shout out to everybody that's been tapping in. Shout out to all my real King Hussle fans, supporters, and subscribers. We're going to keep the ball rolling. We're going to keep the show going. Make sure you go follow me on King Hussle X1M, because I got a lot of new music dropping, got a lot of new mixtapes, a lot of new music videos, a lot of good features coming up, man. We finna flood y'all. I'm finna flood y'all with nothing but good content, good music, good entertainment, and we finna turn it up in 2024, all right? So it starts right now. It starts here. It's your boy, King Hussle. Y'all know how I get down to any of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.